So I'm building the shelves a whole bunch of different ways, but I'm keeping the basics for the floating shelf the same. I have all these scrap pieces of plywood, basically just strengthen them out like this. It's very simple. Scrap pieces do it. Put a couple of screws in there on the ends and it holds it. Instead of getting a piece of wood, they do it in. This is done easy. And you can also do it 2x4s. You can make it a whole bunch of different ways. But the shell, as long as you make it to fit over this, you can make the shell any way you want. And to be honest with you, I am having a hell of a hard time with this type of wood. Let me see, let me get a piece here to show you. Okay. Even though it's a 45, it wasn't gluing properly. I tried trimming a little bit off the edge. It wasn't getting a good seal. So I had to jig this up. And unfortunately, I thought it was recording and I wasn't. I'll show you what I did here. So I ended up, if you can see there, let me see if I just put some supports on the inside of cheap plywood in order to support it better. Let me see here. Sorry, camera. I need a cameraman. Okay, so yeah, done here. The furnace never came out that great, but I have a solution for that. I'm going to be getting corner metal for that. You can see this one I just went straight in between. It's going to give a little sand, and over here is going to be a metal too. I'm not doing a 90 or anything. I'm just going to do it on top